I've got a hankering for honey, and there's only one thing that is going to satisfy me today. Hey there, folks, this is Gared from the Kingdom Report here at Magic Kingdom, and today we're going to be hanging out with Winnie the Pooh on his very own attraction called The Many Adventures of Winnie the Pooh. The Many Adventures of Winnie the Pooh is actually an attraction that actually has quite a long history, dating all the way back to the late 70s. Disneyland originally wanted to have a Winnie the Pooh attraction, but it just never came into fruition until 1995, when instead of going to Disneyland, Disney approved plans for there to be a Winnie the Pooh attraction out here at Walt Disney World, and it would actually utilize the show building of Mr. Toad's Wild Ride, R.I.P. But yeah, so Mr. Toad's Wild Ride used to be here, but Disney pretty much cleaned it out and put in the Many Adventures of Winnie the Pooh. And then after the Fantasyland expansion a few years back, they kept the attraction and added an interactive queue. So we're going to check out the interactive queue, go on this ride, and then at the end I'll give you guys a rating. So here we go, on to the Honey Honey Sweet Adventures.
The East Wind traded places.
Maybe for you.
Ask me.
He'll never reach that tree.
Why me? Oh dear. Hang on tightly, Roo.
Come bounce with me. Bouncing makes you feel just great, doesn't it? Follow me, right this way. Phew, I almost bounced right out of the ride. Watch out, I have a lump of noodles. Get steel honey. Steel honey.
The gift shop. All right, folks, so that's the attraction. It's a quick little ride that's just over 3 minutes. And unfortunately for me, while on that, it broke down or it stopped 3 times. So never happened to me before, and whether it was this version or the version out in Disneyland. Now, I think one of the best things about this attraction is the interactive queue for the kids because, you know, hot summer day, the kids are going to be hanging out. The queue keeps them going. It keeps them energized and everything like that. I think that's fun. The wiping thing I think is amazing, except for all the germs that are on that. I'm sure Disney wipes that down every night, but still. But it's a cute little ride, nothing really spectacular about it. It used to have an effect when you're going into the Heffalump and Woozle where it would shoot a little smoke ball at you. That effect is no longer working. I haven't seen that work in, I think, easily 3 to 6 months, so hopefully that gets fixed in the future. So with all that into account, the effects not working and all that, I'm going to give it a C+. It's a cute attraction, but it's not something to write home about. I don't think it's worth the 65-minute wait. Luckily, I had a fast pass. But what is your take on the attraction? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Do you skip it? Do you do it? Whatever it is, just make sure you comment in the comments down below, and you make sure you subscribe and you check back on the channel for all the new fun stuff. Hope you guys had a honey of a time. See ya. Before I go, just have to say something. So there are actually, I think, 5 versions of this attraction. There is the Disneyland one, there is the Walt Disney World one here, there is the Shanghai Disneyland, there is the Hong Kong Disneyland, and then over in Tokyo Disneyland, where they get all the good stuff, they have what's called Pooh's Honey Hunt, which is a trackless ride system that I cannot wait to check out one day, because I hear it is simply amazing with what the Imagineers did with that. So hopefully I get to show you guys the Pooh Honey Hunt one. But all right, now I'm gone. Bye.
To all who come to this happy place, welcome.